Alrighty, this is a video on the 1998 International Interstate battery truck that just was retired. Batteries, let's see, tires, let's talk tires. Tires are like 100%. Front ones are brand new, both of them. Back ones are probably 99%. Very nice. Overall, the truck's super clean. You can take a look. It's got a Detroit straight 6 diesel in it. The compartments are pretty nice. Let's see if we can open this one. It can be used for a lot of different things. There's the compartments. They work well. What else? The motor, I got still shots on the motor. I'm gonna go ahead and start it here in a second. Let you hear it run. And that's it. Let's get inside. Look at how clean it is. For a 98, it's pretty clean. It's got a clutch. It's air brakes. Where's the key? Put her in neutral. All the gauges. 296,000 miles on it. Radio works. Let's check the air. It's blowing. I don't know if it works, but it's blowing. Oh, here it is. Not so much. But it does blow. So, I don't know why the air's not working, but it's not working. Okay. We're going to take a ride across the road.